Good Wednesday morning to you. Um, Monday for me, but Wednesday for you. Miss you guys. And we're going to jump right in today. Your article that you're going to read is on Herbert Hoover, who was the president at the start of the um, Great Depression. It was elected in 1932, actually. You read the article. And what I want you to do is employ the reciprocal reading strategy that we've been using in class. I made you a template for that. It's attached to today's lesson as well. So use that. It's proven to be a very effective way to get a good understanding from it. We're not in class together, but I think it'll work for you one on one. So use that, and I want you to submit it. You don't have to put a lot in it, but I do want to see the vocabulary that you're struggling with. You can put that in your question sections. Anything that you have, try to put something in every column, and don't rush. The goal is not to finish the assignment within the 30 minutes. The goal is to learn from doing the assignment. So please follow the instructions, take your time, and just read it, and use the strategy and submit it. That strategy that you submit will tell me a lot about where we are and if I need to add or take away. Now, don't play games with me because I'm not crazy. Okay. Secondly, after you do that, I want you to take the Quizlet uh, vocabulary test on. You know the rule. Just take it until you make over an 80 or above, and then submit it to the lesson. Let me see what else I have here. Okay, for this week, just to make it easy for you, all of this is kind of transitioning, and you got to get accustomed to it. So I'm not going to require you to answer the "What do you think?" questions at the end of the Khan Academy article. How about that? So we're not going to do it this week. We probably will start next week. And remember, the better quality of work that I get from you, the more you say in your answers, then I can keep it simple as long as you're learning. But we'll have to get complex. If you're just rushing through your answers, I'll figure out a way you're not going to do that because I do not want you to treat this instruction or this work that I'm sending you like busy work. It is not. I fully expect you to learn from doing it. So just do the right thing and you'll learn from it, and it's a way of connecting, keeping the class connected. I think this is great that you have the opportunity to complete your studies and not have to worry about starting all over at the beginning, and to get this these required courses out of the way. So be glad for that, but you're going to have to do your part. We're working hard, and we expect you to work, hard as well. So I'm not giving you 90 minutes of instruction. No worries. You should easily be able to complete the assignment that I sent you within 30 minutes. And if you're slow like me, maybe 40 at the very most. But if you answer, do a little bit of it. And unlike in class, if you need to get up and walk through the house or do something, come back to it. That's all up to you. You got 4 classes at least. So use your time wisely and just fall in love with learning. I mean, because that's what this is all about. And if you like to learn, you can learn at home. And I know you can. So let's take our time and do these assignments. Now I'm looking over here. Yeah, I think I said we'll start on the "What do you think?" questions, and I may start out with like one. But if I give you one and you give me a one-liner sentence, then I'm going to give you three because I'd rather get one good answer from you that you can pick, or the one than to get just poor work so you can say you did it. And I'm going to grade you just as though we were in class. I really am going to do that. So don't play games with you. You're not playing with me, but don't play games with you. Okay, I think I've said enough, and I'll see you tomorrow. We'll talk a little more. If you got questions, send them in to me, and I can address that in tomorrow's conversation. You got me for 5 minutes. Whether I've got something to say or not, you're stuck with me for 5 minutes. I'd rather be saying something that you could be learning from. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.